Alright everyone, same technique. I'm using that margarita glass. Put the floral foam and I've hot glued it in real securely. I picked up, these are some more of those pink roses from the Dollar Tree. I had a couple of white ones left over, and then I had a couple of these left over from the last arrangement. I did pick up some dogwood branches. These are some hydrangeas. There were like just one little sprig. There's like 3 of those. I went ahead and clipped them all apart. These are some more. They look like dogwoods too, but they're a little bit more splattered. But you can use any flowers that you'd like. I mean, these are just some of my leftovers that I had from previous arrangements, and most of these all came from the Dollar Tree, so you can find them. These are some daisies. That's another set of roses there. But we'll go ahead and start. I think for the height in it, we're going to use the dogwoods. I love dogwoods. They're probably one of my favorite trees. And we're going to put these dead center here. I've got 2 of those branches, and I've got 3. Let's clip this one to where it's even. But you'll just, I mean, you don't necessarily have to use dogwoods. Just have something in the center for height, basically. And let's see. Okay. So we got the dogwoods there. And I'm going to use the roses for my points, like on each side. I do the 4 points, I guess you could say. I'm going to put one here in the front. One in the back, and I try to keep these all the same length. We're going to do one here on the side. And you can use, you know, any flower for your points. I think I do that technique quite a lot. If you've watched me arrange, it's like a 4-point system. I have 1 in the front, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. Once I get the height determined, get the points in, just start filling her in. And you can use anything for that. We're going to go with hydrangeas, I think, for fillers. And we put these in between the roses to fill those areas up so they're not bare. This would be really pretty in a little girl's room. Also for centerpieces again. Let's see, we're going to cut these down. They look a little tall. I'm going to give them a clip there. 2 more. This one's a little tall, so I'm just going to start, just keep filling in, because now you've got in between the rose and the dogwood, you've got things that need there. So I need something that's going to fill it in that height. And I had some dogwoods left here. They look like they might be the right height to go in there. Well, maybe not. I cut that one too short, so I'm just going to use him as a filler in the front. Just start filling your arrangement in. These are some daisies that I had. I've got this cute, let's see, that's a hydrangea. I'm going to put it in between the rose, on top of the rose here. You've got the rose here. I think we've got that beautiful white hydrangea. For some color, I think I'm going to stick these in between the 2. And I'm going to use this as my focal point. Use this like the front part of it. And just do those on each side of the hydrangea. But keeping the rose kind of in the middle. Right there. And let's see what other areas. I don't like this hydrangea there. It's drooping. It's drooping too much. So we're going to clip it again. We're going to make it go smaller. And don't be afraid to clip and try different lengths, because if you mess up, you know those little wooden sticks that we use all the time? take and cut them down, and you can just attach, if you need more length, attach your flower to it. You can get some floral tape wrapped around there. You got it. It's taller again. So don't be afraid of that. And just play around with it. I think that one needs some lighter. Okay, and I didn't have a whole lot of these left over because I went back and added more in that one. So, but I'm going to use the two I have in the center, just coming out just a tad bit. We're going to do one on each side. Oh, we may swipe one of those. I need at least 4 on the. I do. I'm going to swipe 2 of these. Don't you know this always happens? Like I said, don't be afraid to change things up or take them out, redo them. Just keep going with it, and that's how you create. And that's how you learn and grow. Okay, we're going to do one there. And then we're going to take this one and do it in the back here. Like that. I did have some of these left in the purples. We're going to just put him in there. You need some color. Oh, it makes such a pretty little arrangement. Let's see what you did all leftovers. And these were just some leftover greenery. They're tall, so I'm going to just stick them in the middle where the height is to keep adding some more fullness and greenery in there. Then I had these cute little pink, dark pink and white roses. I'm going to stick these in the back. They're a little bit taller than the other roses. And I'll put it on top of the hydrangea. And I've got some white, but I don't think we're going to even put the white in there. I do have one more pink. Put it over on the other side of this daisy. Let's trim him down. Alright, see what I'm looking at? To the daisy. There's a rose there. We're going to put it on the other side. We're going to clip it down to match that one. So I think that's going to be my focal point. Yeah, that would be a very pretty focal point there. Okay, my focal point there. Then what I'm going to do, if y'all have been following me, I picked these masks up at the Dollar Tree. I did some Mardi Gras arrangements with these. I did New Year's wreaths using these. You can use these for just about anything. And like I said, if you put this in a little girl's room with a little mask on it, that'll be absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to go over there, I'm going to hot glue it, and I'm going to come right back and I'll show you the final product. Now we've taken it, we've hot glued it down the center, stuck it in our arrangement, and there you have it, another beautiful centerpiece. And these are so really inexpensive to do. They don't take a whole lot of time, and these were all crafted using flowers from the Dollar Tree, and they're just as beautiful and elegant as the others.